Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Elite Solar Updates here, coming at you on April 1st, 12:13 a.m. Here in Minnesota. It has been quite the active past, I would say, about week. I've been sick and work, so I have not been able to get on to update, but here I am tonight coming at you. We're going to do probably about a little bit of a longer one here tonight, till there's been a lot going on. We'll try and sum it all up here in this one video for you guys. If you like, leave a like and subscribe for more future updates. And here we go. Looks like the KP index we got sitting at 3 right now. High latitude 70%, severe. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we're looking at a 6, 3, and a 4. Let's look at the auroral chart. I went to the wrong one. We'll just go over here. Right now, I should be able to see some northern lights. If I were to go outside, I might go look here in a little bit. So, and we are in -20 for the disturbance storm time. Let's go take a look at the flares here and look at this graph, everyone. We're going to want to take a look at these two right here. We're going to go over. So here we had an X13 that happened yesterday. I would say around noon or so. And then this one happened at about 3:30 today. Almost an X, a 9.67, so it might as well have been an X. But the past, you can see 72 hours, we have not, well, except for this little bit right here. And yeah, that little bit, and I think somewhere else there was a little bit of a below a C, but for the most part we have been at a C or higher. M's and X's, as you can see, we just had an event happen. We'll go take a look at those as well, but let's go take a look at a couple of SDOs. We'll look at 94, and you're going to see all of the action here. You're going to be looking here and down here. Here comes the X right there. And then there's even more action going on back here, which we're going to take a look at on stereo A. But yeah, just a lot of action going on up there. Let's go take a look at, yeah, we'll look at that next. 131 angstroms. There's so much activity coming back here. And this one, luckily, is going away, but this one is still coming towards us. That X flare right there. And then you're going to see that high M flare, I think, as well. Right there. So it pretty much might as well have been an X flare. I mean, it was pretty much there. This is... Take a look at the positive and negative umbras here. And this spot right here is K. That X flare going away, that spot's still here, and then this big spot here. I mean, look at the size of it. It is just massive. I mean, and then you can't see, but we got a little one up there, but then there's more coming. We're going to go take a look at those next. Actually, let's take a look at the HMI 2. So you can see just these sunspots forming. And you're going to see more form down here below this big one here. See right there. You're going to see them right in this area right there. There they are. forming, and more, and more. And then you got a little backside one there and up there. But yeah, let's go to HMI 3. Better look at these sunspots here. Again, this is 2975, 2980, I believe, and 2981 south of that right there. Yeah, 2978, 2981. Let's go take a look at Soho. As you can see, we just had an event at 1:18, so minus out 5 hours. That would have been at about 8:18. So just about 4 hours ago. And that spot is coming around because this is stereo A. Not sure what planet that is, but we'll take a look and see if we can see. But we're going to take a look at... We're going to do Lasco C2 and then Lasco C3 next. One, that was the X flare. No, the X flare is coming up actually. Right there. That was the X. And then, yeah, that was the last eruption right there. Looks like this app is being kind of buggy, so I'm going to close out of that. I'm going to log right back in. Sometimes this app goes slow. We'll look at Lasco C3 next. And then you see we got that planet there. As you can see, when that flare happened, a bunch of stuff, the neutrons and protons were acting up around the camera. That just shows just how strong these flares are. And you're going to see this one right there. We're gonna zoom in on that. We're going to take one more look at that because that was a huge one. Here it comes. That was a big shot. Yeah. Wonder if we can get a better look at that. We probably can. Let's go over to... I don't know why Twitter's still popping up. We're going to go here. And here. It looks like we can just see the backside of that eruption. So in that spot, we're going to also take another look at that too. We can also see that spot here on stereo A. On here as well, you can start to see it, which shows just how big of an eruption that was. Zoom into thumbnails. Because we can see it already, but you can't see the spot here. And then this spot coming around. And we got some more stuff around the sun here. Up there you can see one. Down there. And there. Let's see if we can see any more. Got one there. No, but it looks like something's going on at the bottom there. Which, I mean, you're seeing that one too, actually. So we're going to keep an eye on that as well. Nothing there. You got one up there. And down there. Nothing. Whoa, there we go. Now, I can't even begin to tell you what that looks like. We have these things that you can sometimes see here when you're recording stuff on camera that kind of looks like these. I can't remember what they're called right now, but they were on Monster Quest, And they're pretty interesting. Again, Twitter's still going off, even though I do have Do Not Disturb on. But yeah, that one, that's got to be one of the weirder ones I've seen. We're going to take a look, see if we can see any more. Alright, there's the one before. Okay, so right here, nothing. After, nothing. And after that, you see a little one down there. Again, a little one down there. Really bright one there. So yeah, if you guys have any idea of maybe what these are, just put down in the comments. I mean, I would say like space debris, but it is right up near the sun. And as you can see here, it is emitting its own light. So your guess is as good as mine as what those are. And you can see there's frames where you don't see any of them. Then you got a really bright one there again. So yeah, let's move away from that. Go take a look at a couple of other cameras. We're going to take a look at the rotating, see what's coming. And you can see we got a little, well, not a little, because this spot is pretty big. So it's about the size of this, and it looks more potent than 2981 that is coming, and 2978. So looks like we are not going to get a break here for a while. Alright, let's take a look at some others. Let's go back over here. I mean, jeez. That's insane. I mean, looks like we got a little something there. I mean, it looks kind of in the same place that I would have seen that, right? I don't know. As you can see, that big backside eruption. We're going to go to 94, 335, and 193 combined angstroms. Get a bigger look at this spot here. And you're going to see it. Boom. And boom. Right there. And you can begin to see the spot here. And you can see the spot coming up there. We're going to go look at the D-region absorption chart. Show you just how affected we are being. And you can see all along the poles here is being affected. I mean, earlier, if I would have been able to make a little update, I would have seen the red when we got that pretty much an X flare there, and it made bright red. So pretty much the whole U.S. and America was in red. Let's go back here, take a look at a couple more cameras, and I am going to sign off for the night. Let's go take a look at the Enlil. You can see that backside eruption. I mean, I would say a little bit bigger than that. But hey, what do I know? And this right here, the 31st, this is what's coming. Actually should be happening right now. And you're going to see a cannibal CME here. You're going to see one there, and then the second one behind it. And the second one behind it pretty much eats the first one. Earth here, stereo B, stereo A. So yeah, we're going to end it off with just a look at this. So if you're experiencing any phone issues, internet issues, satellite cable, this is why, ladies and gentlemen, we have been impacted by pretty much 2 X flares. The second one being a M1, M9.97 or 7.9, whatever. Pretty much was there, but yeah. And you can see just a big shots coming at us. High solar winds, high plasma. So I am off until Saturday. So I will be doing probably a couple more updates here in the next couple days. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, share this on anything, and just keep people up to date on what is going on out there. So I'm going to sign off for the night. You guys have a wonderful night. Be safe. Take care.